Hello. Welcome to the video. Today, we're tackling a common error in Express.js. No overload matches this call. This error can be frustrating. It often arises when your function arguments don't quite match what Express expects. Let's break down why it happens and how to fix it. First, understand what an overload is. In TypeScript, overloads mean a function can have multiple signatures. Each signature defines a different set of acceptable parameters. When you call a function, TypeScript checks if your arguments match any of these signatures. If none match, you get the dreaded no overload matches this call error. The main reasons for this error include incorrect middleware usage, wrong request handler arguments, and mismatched types. Incorrect middleware usage happens when you're not passing the correct number or type of arguments to a middleware function. For instance, if you are creating a middleware that accepts a configuration object, failing to pass it, or passing the wrong type can trigger this error. Request handler arguments typically consist of REQ, request, res, response, and optionally next for middleware. If you're missing one, or if their order is wrong, TypeScript will complain. Mismatched types occur when the data you're passing to a function doesn't align with the expected type. For example, sending a number when a string is required. Now, let's dive into fixing this issue. Carefully examine the function signature causing the error. TypeScript usually provides helpful hints. Read the error message closely. It often points to the specific argument causing the problem. Ensure your middleware functions are correctly defined. They should accept REQ, res, and next as parameters. Double-check the order and types of these parameters. Verify that the data you're sending in the request body matches the expected schema. Use TypeScript interfaces or types to define your data structures. This helps catch type errors early on. Let's look at a code example. Imagine an express route like @post/users req res equals. If you accidentally write @post/users res req equals, you'll likely encounter this error because the order is wrong. The first argument should always be the REQ object. Another example, if your middleware expects a specific object but you are passing undefined, you might see this error. You can provide a default value or handle the undefined case. Finally, leverage your IDE's TypeScript support. VS Code, for instance, provides excellent IntelliSense and error checking. This can help you spot type errors as you write code. Remember, debugging is a process of elimination. Start with the most likely culprits and work your way through the code. Understanding function signatures and type checking is key to resolving this issue. By carefully examining your code and understanding the error message, you'll be able to fix this error and build robust Express applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. Consider leaving a comment if you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover.